Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla technical series. In this video, we will see how we can map those shift details like requested shift, approved or not, previous current shift, requested date, all the information from the shift request into the detail view. So for that, inside our custom shift request detail view, uh, and also inside the Horilla detail view, we having some attribute called body. So inside the body attribute, it is a list. You can provide those information like inside a tuple. For example, we can provide the title or requested shift as first one is a requested shift. The second item will be the mapping from the model to the uh, title. For example, we can provide it as shift ID. Not the shift ID. Let's check verify inside the model of shift request. There's the shift ID. Oh yeah. Okay. Then name is same. Let's restart. Okay. Once the server is restarted, let's check is coming or not. When I click on here, you can see the detail is coming. So let's add these details, some other details too, like the description. Then from the model, let's map that field. We can map field or method from the model. Then also provide is approved. Then we can map the field. Okay, so to map the details, you simply have to provide the body attribute. It is a list. Then inside the list attribute, you have to provide the tuple or iterable element. We inside the tuple items, the first one would be the title of the cell. Then the mapping to the cell or the title. So let's check what is now showing right here. Okay, when I click here, you can see the details is coming like this. So that's how you map the shift request details into the uh, detail view. So I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. Thank you for watching.